What's up, everybody? Bad Vibes Forever Collection. You're back at it again with another freaking unboxing. Today we got something absolutely insane. The craziest thing is going to be in this box, okay? It is super duper rare. You already know by the title, obviously, but it doesn't matter. This is a stupid duper freaking rare, and I'm extremely happy because of the size. And I couldn't be happier because I'm getting this because of the dopest friend I met in the community. And we're doing a trade, and I'm trading him the medium for this bad boy. Currently just cutting it up so you guys don't see the what do you call it, address or anything. Just get that ripped off actually, and then I can just do it. Here we go, guys. Got the tape off. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Moment of freaking truth. There it is. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's actually here. It's been so long, months I've been freaking hunting this thing down, basically months. Oh my gosh, I gotta get it out of this package. Double XL, baby, double freaking XL. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's here. It's here, ladies and gentlemen. It's here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's actually in my possession now. Oh, it's perfect condition. It's beautiful condition. Look at this tag, gentlemen and ladies and everybody else. Double XL. Please be not cracked. It wasn't cracked when I saw it, so it should. Oh, dude, it's perfect. It's a perfect hand. It's a perfect hand, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh, maybe right there, starting to crack right there, but it doesn't matter. It's a perfect hand. Thank you guys for watching this video. This video is very special to me, and it's the same bag that it came in. Little backstory: LA pop-up in 2022. A handful of these were thrown out into the crowd, and so far this is the only known double XL in existence. And because of the dopest friend, shout out to Joseph, dopest freaking friend I met in this community, he helped acquire this for me, and I'm basically gonna help him get the medium. And it's just win-win, honestly. This will fit me, and the other one will fit him, and freaking, dude, he came in clutch. This is the dopest thing ever. Thank you. Shouts out to him. Thank you all for watching, and have a wonderful day.